No, okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Dun dun dun. I have a child in my house. I don't need the chat open right now. Close this. Okay. So today you are white. Fox. Why in the world are you on Welcome to BloxBurg when you said you weren't gonna make any more BloxBurg videos? I said that for that long period of time because that's when I didn't have a house and I needed a place to live and people kept adopting me when I was working time to time on my house. Okay, go away, child, bye. Girl, what's that? Girl, get out. I'm touring. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Well, okay. So this is my house. When you first walk in, you walk into the living room, and you have 3 couches to sit on. And this is my room, because I'm loved. Not. Yeah. It was just to make light there, and lighter had that. And we have a lava lamp, some blue bed, obviously, I like blue, and this little modern area over here. I got a really good computer. I bought so much, BloxBurg money stuff, whatever it's called. I'm not gonna tell you how much I have, but then you know how much I spend. I have the shower, that's really pretty. Colored it purple, and I have this good bathroom. Yeah, let's move on to my kids' room. There is kids in there, so just ignore them, please. Look, and hi, girl. Girl, ignore. And so she has some clothes, book stuff, a bed, and a computer over here. And now bye. Because I don't want to interrupt you. It's talking about stuff. And another bathroom right here. Pretty. I don't know why I have carpet here. I just forgot to put a different flooring in because this is all one floor and I can't really change it or the other floor won't be changed. It doesn't look like anything. Just looks like Dory right there. And we have my one supreme kitchen. Let me just have a moment to thank you for making this kitchen big. Okay. Door test. So intense. Okay, but I have the outside, which is great. I'll get this all in the camera. The whole entire house. Yeah, that's cray long. You're thinking, why does that not have a roof? It does. It's just a flat roof. I did 3 different kinds of roof. This is a different kind of roof. This big one is a different kind of roof. That's a pyramid. Yeah, we have a flat there. And then you can see my child stalk them. I don't know how. Oh no, she dared to adopt me. Let's just see how well drama goes. So I'm not gonna tell them I'm recording or anything. I'm just gonna tell them, okay, girls, like, I finished recording and stuff. So, hey girls, I need money to cook. Child, help me. Like, Jacob, I think that's Jacob. Bye, Miss Gamer. Bye. It's Fox. By the way, people know. And my first name is Gamer, by the way, but call me Funk. That's a better name than